Hi, my name's Guy Krippendorf. I'm an author, I'm the founder of Outthinker, a growth strategy consulting firm. I'm an entrepreneur and a blogger, and I'm really passionate about helping individuals and corporations see exciting growth opportunities. So I followed a pretty traditional strategy career. I went to Columbia Business School, I went to Wharton Business School, I worked at McKinsey, I wrote a book, I started a firm. And what we found was that you get a group of people together, you can get them to start thinking innovatively, but then towards the end of the conversation, someone will say something like, that won't work because of A, B, and C. And they kill off the really different idea. And it was at that moment, and you never know when it's going to hit you. I was washing the dishes in my kitchen, and my son was over at the other side, and he was playing with Legos. And I watched him as he was putting together these really fascinating structures. And it occurred to me that what he was doing was not unlike what these great innovators do that we aspire to, right? These Richard Bransons, these Elon Musks, these Oprah Winfreys, even these Mother Teresas. They sit with the pieces they have, and they have the same pieces you and I have, but then they stack them up in a unique way. They know the fact that this thing that they're putting out into the world is different means it has a chance to change the world. This way of thinking was not only learnable and attainable, it is natural. I call it the fourth option, is that there is a point where other people stop thinking. They start repeating themselves. The way you compete is ABC, 1, 2, 3. And what these people do is they think beyond that and they see a fourth option. Dick Fosbury, 1968, went over the high bar backward. Every gold medal winner before him had gone over in one of three ways, all forward techniques. Every trainer of every Olympic athlete before him had trained them to go over forward. Somehow he had the guts to turn his back on that tradition. He went over backwards. He wins the Olympics. It takes the competition 8 years to copy him. You must do things that seem impossible. What I'm passionate about, what Outthinker is passionate about, is enabling individuals and organizations to introduce fourth options and start changing the world.